Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshununmilitamena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. My dear friends, inside our body there is soul, Atma. And the nature of Atma is divine. It is divya. It is not material. It is spiritual. It's a divine nature. So, to make your Atma happy, you have to give Atma the correct nature, the divine nature you have to give. But what happened when we came in this world, we are not giving Atma its divine nature, but we are giving Atma the material nature, bhautik nature, which is this worldly pleasure, eating, sleeping, mating, defending. So we are giving Atma this worldly nature, that which is non-divine, non-eternal. That's why Atma is not satisfied. So when we give our Atma, which is divine, the correct nature, the divine nature, only then the Atma, the soul, or we will be happy, satisfied, and full of bliss. Otherwise, there is no way you can make yourself, make your Atma happy. Hare Krishna.